Hi, Brian here, and welcome to Treebud Academy. I make videos on business, advertising, and marketing, and I run a podcast. Today, I want to share with you 2 tools that I use all the time to find keywords for Google Ads. But first, I want to talk a bit about the customer journey, which I covered in an earlier video. When a customer goes on a buyer's journey, marketing is the business function that kind of takes them along the way, moving them from one stage to the next. And in fact, you can target your audience every stage of the way on their journey with Google Ads. And I'm a huge advocate for using what we call a full funnel approach when creating a Google Ads account. The first tool I want to share with you is a tool that I've used for a very long time and actually helps me visualize in sort of a map of how people go on their customer journey through their search queries. So let's go to alsoask.com. I absolutely love this app. I've been using it for years and years, actually ever since they first went public. So you guys should definitely support them. So let's say, for example, you're a physiotherapy clinic, and at the top of the funnel is where the keywords are the most generic, and people may be just searching for something vague like back pain. So what this tool does is it generates a tree map of related search queries, and each layer of this tree goes a bit more specific, starting from the first generic search. So you can see here, the first term is back pain. When should I be worried about back pain? What organs can cause lower back pain? Can liver cause back pain? Does fatty liver cause back pain? So you can see how each layer of the tree progressively becomes more and more specific. You can actually estimate someone's search intent and where they are in the buyer's journey based on their search query and sort of how specific they are with what their search query is. The second tool I want to show you today is a browser extension called Keywords Everywhere. And I'd like to give a huge shout out to Robin, who showed me this tool. She actually started her own YouTube channel recently, and I'd love for you to subscribe to her channel as well. So I'll link her channel in the description box below. So now let's go to Google and do the same search for back pain. The browser extension actually generates all these maps you see here on the right. There is search trend, so you can actually see how prevalent or how what the search volume is like going year on year. It shows you related keywords, phrases that people are also searching for, and trending keywords and long tail keywords. And you can actually start building out your search campaign based on all this keyword research. And it's good to sort of use one generic word to seed another list and take that the output and seed the next list and iterate based on that so that you progressively get more and more specific, mirroring again that full funnel approach in terms of targeting people at different stages in the buyer's journey. So that's it for now. Just wanted to show you guys quickly these 2 tools that I use to find keywords for Google Ads. Thank you for tuning in and watching to the very end. If you liked the video, please be sure to like it. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe and hit the notification bell.